I want us to discuss or dissect a topic which says three-phase changeover switch connection. Okay, so if you watch here, this diagram represents our three-phase changeover. Okay, changeover, and here we have our DB distribution board. Okay, here is the diagram for it. So now, if you watch here, this changeover has two terminals. It has up and down terminal. Okay, so we are going to use this up terminal as our input. All right, so our input wire will fall in from this top, and our output terminal, okay, output terminal will go in from this down. All right, so now let's start the connection. First of all, if you watch closely here, there's provision for this black represents neutral line. Okay, so this is neutral. Let's say N is for neutral. Okay, and if you watch here, there's provision for terminal. We have terminal here, and we have second terminal here, and we have terminal here, and we have terminal here. Okay, there's provision for two terminal in each. Let me circle them. So there's provision for terminal in each of them. So this green represents yellow phase. So I don't have yellow marker, so that's why I'm making use of green. Okay, for it to, so no, I don't want it to confuse anyone. All right, so we have introduced our terminals. All right, so next thing, if you watch in this diagram, okay, this neutral line, there is a bar, a crossing bar that links the down terminal and the up terminal. Okay, there's crossing bar. So this cross bar simply means that this two terminal is our output, and this terminal that there is no crossbar is our input. All right, so let me just indicate it. So this is for output. All right, so this for input. Let's say input. All right, so input. So likewise here, output, input, output, input, output, input. All right, so this is our DB. Now let's get our wire. For example, let's source our wire to the terminal. So this should be in the input. Okay, the red phase will go into the input, then the blue phase, the same thing, input. Remember, we use this top or this up for our input wire, so which can come from generator or NEPA, anyone. Then I have another one. So this is for yellow phase. Okay, let's say yellow. Let me indicate them for it not confuse, for it to not confuse anyone. All right, red, blue, yellow, neutral. Okay, so now let's put our neutral. That's neutral. All right, so let's just say that these four wires is just coming from three-phase generator. Three-phase generator. Okay, three-phase generator. So that's where it's coming from. All right, so next thing is to run our output. So our output will go into the DB, the distribution board. Now the neutral will go first. Okay, here is the point for output. So we have this, have this. All right, so this is our neutral. Then let's go with our yellow phase. I have yellow here, I have yellow here. So for it to cross, we have to introduce L. We have to, can you see? Okay, can you see how it crosses? Then let's run the blue phase. Remember, we are working on output now. All right, so we have this, something of this nature. Then to blue phase. Now let's run the red phase. So we have something of this nature, of this thing. Then it will go to red phase. So have you seen how I did it? So here is the output, so here is the input. So we used up for generator, so down can go for NEPA. All right, so down can go for NEPA. No need bringing it down. for you to not complicate the issue, but bear it in mind that this thing is for our input. All right, so this is input and input. Okay, input in. Let me just use in because there's no space to write them. And we have in here. I hope you are following. And we have in. All right, let's just say NEPA. Okay, so like I earlier stated, we use this place for our output. Okay, so and here is for this terminal is our input. So in a situation, if you want to change to NEPA, once you turn down the gear, the handle. All right, when you turn down the handle down, current will go into this, and when you turn it up, current will also pass to this line. So this is how to connect on 3-phase changeover. All right, so thanks for watching.